Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to clean the dust and dirt from your Apple Watch the right way without damaging it. If your watch is looking a little dusty or grimy, don't worry, I've got you covered. First off, never use harsh chemicals, soaps, or anything with alcohol. These can damage the screen or the coating on your Apple Watch. And definitely don't try to clean it while it's still connected to the charger. Before cleaning, power off your Apple Watch and remove the bands. This makes it easier to clean all the little corners and keeps things safe. Now grab a soft, lint-free microfiber cloth. This is your best friend when it comes to cleaning screens. If the dust is dry, gently wipe it in small circles. If there's sticky dirt or sweat, dampen the cloth slightly with clean water, not dripping wet, just lightly damp. Now gently wipe the front, the back, and even around the digital crown. Use a dry, soft bristle brush or even a clean, soft toothbrush to clean around the speaker holes and the crown. Dust can easily get stuck there, so take your time. If you have silicone or leather bands, clean them separately based on the material. Don't soak leather straps, just use a dry cloth. For silicone or sport bands, a little water and a cloth does the job. Finally, let your watch and bands air dry completely before putting everything back together. And that's it. Your Apple Watch should now look fresh and clean again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.